What I like about the workshop is I'm a dancer. I dance a dance called Kizomba, so I listen to the music and I hear, especially the percussion and the drums, gets me to hear different ways of how I can interpret the music into my dance as well, which is not really the genre that is here, but it's a way of being a bit more versatile and dynamic with the way I dance as well. So that's what I like about it.
The crowd was amazing. We just finished the drum and bass workshop. And I'm actually a guitar player, so I was just kind of playing accompaniment, but it's more about these guys, and the vibes was like so good, man.
Yeah,
so good,
it's
right?
an amazing crowd. So great to be here in Sarawak playing for the people here. It's wonderful.
The weather is fantastic. A bit hot today, but that's fine. But a great start. The sound check, fantastic. Everything ran well. Really nice crowd. Great view. Great people. But this festival, it's a treat. It's very much a treat. Very special.
Flew all the way from India to bring my life partner to this festival, who is from Kuching, who has never been to this festival before.
What do you like about this festival?
I love coming back to Rainforest Festival. This is my third time this time, and it resonates with my Indian music also. Anywhere we go, we have all the Indian stars here, so it's fun.
Jerry, yeah?
Jerry Drawhorn, yeah.
From USA.
I'm from USA, California. I like a lot of different styles of music, so I used to be a DJ on a college radio station and played world music.
When I arrived here, Sarawak, at the time, very hot weather. I have never experienced this hot weather. And 1 day later, I realized that this is paradise. Awesome audience and delicious food and kind of people. I love Sarawak and I love Rainforest World Music Festival.
It's very wonderful program because the crowd is also big and huge and very good sound and venue. The venue is amazing in Sarawak, of course. And also the audience really get into the music, you know. They don't really care what kind of music, but everybody seems like enjoying all kind of music from all over the world. That's the main thing. And yeah, we hope that we can come back again, of course.
like about the Rainforest Music Festival, like I've been to big festivals in Europe and it's massive and it's very interactive, very fun, but here, the smaller community, what you get to see with the workshops is the different musicians jamming, and that's very special, and you're always surprised by the different groups you can meet here. Very different to any other festival.